Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef's Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Thursday. It's the Thursday a week before Thanksgiving. Are you ready for the big turkey day? I think I am. So today I've got a more simplified recipe than I've done for a few days now. Today I will be cooking orzo with Italian sausage and peppers. I'm doing a little twist of it of my own. Of course, recipes are guidelines, so I break the rules. Yesterday, the dish I prepared was a New Mexico carne avocado, whatever. Again, bad Spanish. Sorry, very sorry. That turned out wonderful, excellent. I will share the recipe today with you if you'd like to try it. One of the things I want to point out to you, actually, I'm going to switch back from that. Today, here's the ingredients for the orzo. Parsley, garlic. There's the orzo, extra virgin olive oil, some hot Italian sausage, some chicken stock. That's going to be to cook the orzo in. It's going to be a chicken stock and water, half and half or so. Roasted red bell peppers in the jar, salt and pepper, of course, Parmesan cheese, and some Roma tomatoes. Wow, I need more coffee. These will be diced. The other thing I want to bring to your attention is this little guy right here. This is an oven thermometer. The reason why I'm bringing that up, and I have one, it's brand new, is I believe my oven, which is only a few years old, is running low. If you remember, I've been baking a couple things the last couple of weeks. I've had to put a lot of extra time into baking those items. So to be safe, especially before Thanksgiving, I'm going to be putting that oven thermometer in my oven and seeing where my oven actually is temperature-wise. For just a small amount, around $12 at your local kitchen supply store and so forth, it's a great idea to see where your oven's at, so you can see if it's low or high. So with that, have a great day, eat some great food, and have fun cooking.